Man, is there a lot of BS sold to real estate agents. With me coaching realtors all around the country, of course, I see what all my competitors are doing, and there's an awful lot of coaches and trainings and programs and softwares and new latest greatest thing and email sequences and funnels and all of these things sold to real estate agents. And the fact is, the vast majority of that stuff they won't really need. And for a whole lot of people, it's not even appropriate for where they are in their real estate business. So what I found is a lot of times for all of the agents that are out there, they get confused with so many options that are available for them. So I've had people ask me before, like, if you could tell me one thing that I can do in my business, if you could tell me the one big key that would make such a big difference for me, what would that be? And I always use the example that, if I were teaching my own son to sell real estate, where it's really important for me to make sure he only gets the good stuff, here's exactly what I would teach him. Well, last year, my son got his real estate license. And sure enough, we said, you know what, I'm going to break down all of these trainings. I've been coaching realtors for 22 years. I've worked with 30,000 agents. I know what works, what doesn't, what different personalities are going to create what kind of results. And I sat down and I said, you know what, I'm going to show everyone how I would teach my own son to sell real estate. And I'm going to do it as a 10-day fast start guide. And sure enough, what we did, I'll tell you a little bit about how that worked. It was last year, but what we did is for every day for 10 days, I released a video that showed here's exactly what I want Zach to do. If you haven't seen that video, there's a video of me and my son at letsgetsomeclosings.com. It's probably in the description here. But what we did is we went through those 10 days, and everybody got to follow along with here's how you get started if you don't have much money. Here's how you get started if you have no leads, no sphere of influence, that type of thing. And we ran everybody through it, and it was probably the biggest game changer that I've seen of everything we've ever done in the past. It's 10 days in and out, one quick task of what to do today, get it done before you get to the video tomorrow. It not only helped him, but it helped tons of agents around the country. We had 100 people go through it at first, and then what I did was I said, you know what, it worked so well for those 100, I'm just going to release those recordings starting on Monday, every day for 10 days. And we did that for 2,000 realtors and got the best feedback I've had of anything we've ever done. Now, fast forwarding to today, not only are those agents doing very well, my son is doing very well with a little caveat of what he changed as a real estate agent. He changed one big thing. He's making a lot of money now. He's 19 years old and making ridiculous amounts of money, well into six figures. So the important part of that is not only what it did for him, but what it did for other agents. Because rather than me teaching you how to fix your business, it's a lot easier if you watch me fix somebody else's business. If you watch it built from the ground up. When we started, he actually didn't even have access to MLS yet. He'd literally just gotten his license, hadn't even paid the dues for his MLS. But again, that 10-day training was so transformational that we said, you know what, I'm going to automate that for anybody that wants to do it. We'll just show them how it starts on Monday. You get call number 2 on Tuesday. Then you get call number 3 on Wednesday. We'll go through that 10 days of training, and it can do the same transformational type thing for you. So I left that video up. It's still up to this day. You can go back and see it. It's at www.letsgetsomeclosings.com. And as of today's date, we've had over 2,000 real estate agents go through that. Feedback has been phenomenal. I literally have not had not one agent said, oh my gosh, I didn't get any value out of that, or it didn't help me, or I want a refund, or any of that stuff. 100% of 2,000 you usually get a crybaby or a whiner or somebody that never even logged in and said they don't like it or something. Not one person has done that in over a year. So that means that stuff is working very, very well. We've created some great relationships with those agents over that period of time. Of course, a lot of them have escalated with us because, of course, their business is doing really well. As they start making more money, they're like, hey, give me some more of the good stuff. But anyway, it was massively transformational, not only for those agents, but for Zach, my son, as well. You can see that original video that we posted. You can watch it right now. You should see it in the description here. www.letsgetsomeclosings.com. I want you to check it out. I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful. Find out more information on us at gregluthercoaching.com. But go check that out right now. Let's get some closings.com. And you know what we ought to do? Let's get some closings. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.